Made a few changes since I first started it. Took down the old panels I put up, got rid of all that framing and built this out of bed frames welded together and painted. The rest of it's the same. All the panels connect to the same charge controller. The Harbor Freight Cheapy meter is hardwired, soldered to be the amp meter showing what's coming off the panel. So I got what, almost an amp, 0.78 amp coming off the panel, and it's getting close to dusk. Marine fuse block from West Marine. These come with the charge control. Each set of 3 Harbor Freight solar panels comes with one of these. So this is the one that's actually doing it. I looked it up on the internet. Top Ray is the name of the company that made it. Found their Chinese website, and they show the same controller rated at, I think it was 25 amps, but enough for three panels maximum, and it doesn't seem to be getting very warm. Disconnects. Standard fuse disconnects from Home Depot. 30 amp fuse and 30 amp fuse. I'd like to have a battery house, one made out of cement blocks or something, but barn dog house is like 60 bucks at Petco. 2 Marine deep cycle batteries from the auto parts store, plus extra batteries that I replaced in the UPS. There was only one battery bad, but I replaced them all because you had to have them in sets. But this is perfect. Each one's got a fuse, and they're all in parallel. To a distribution box, like 3-phase, some electrical, scrap electrical out of old water heater. The other doghouse, Harbor Freight inverter. This one's 1500 watts and 3000 watt max. Got it running a refrigerator in the bedroom. Got 12 volts to the kitchen this way because I couldn't get through the attic. This will connect to the yard lighting, which is now 120 volt, but to figure out some way to timing it, I have a photocell that's 12 volt. Front door, there's two lights, one utility powered and one 12 volt. Switches to match it. Marked so you know that it's the solar panel. One of the charge controllers from the kit, this one's only being used to monitor the battery voltage, so that's the battery voltage. One cigarette lighter jack to charge my cell phone. The rest of them, they're not charging on the cell phone. Hallway, 3-way switch, both of them. The original and the added switch. The 120 volt, the big fixture used 120 volt with an emergency backup ballast in it. 12 volt, the two of the bulbs that come in the Harbor Freight kit. Another 3-way switch. Bedroom. That's the 120 volt, there's the 12 volt. They're from the lighting store. They look like regular compact sources, but they're 12 volt. Center positive. Bathroom. Got plenty of light. New edition, the newest edition yesterday. This fan and this little refrigerator are running off this extension cord. I will make it permanent since that's the best way. Yeah, I don't want to have it like this for very long, just for experimental purposes. And it works quite fine, nice and cold. It sounds a little different It's synthetic 60 cycle sine wave. It sounds slightly different. Still, it'll be a welcome relief if the power goes out and we're trying to sleep. Hurricane season's coming up. This bathroom, got it. This bedroom. A couple of the ones I bought at the lighting store. The store specializes in lighting. This bedroom's not done, this one's not done. Kitchen, living room, that swag lamp. This got a 12-volt light bulb in it. Kitchen.
Hang your face. What are you doing?
Running the video camera.
11.3.
All of our inventory. Lighthouse Toyota, St.
It's only got about a half an amp coming out this late hour. 12 volt and regular light. Two more of the ones that came with the Harbor Freight kit. Laundry room. Couple more from the lighting supply store. Make sure that when you install them though, you don't mix them up. I already done it once. You put one of these bulbs in this fixture and this bulb will instantly be garbage. It'll blow the circuit board apart. I took it apart and it blew the foil off the circuit board. That's it.